Good morning. Chapter Parabola, exercise 11.2, question number 7. The question is, find the equation of the parabola whose focus 6, 0 and equation of directrix is x equal to minus 6. Okay. So it is given focus is 6, 0. Since the focus 6, 0 lies on the x-axis, okay, 6, 0 lies on the x-axis because y coordinate is 0. Therefore x-axis is the x-axis is the axis of parabola. Axis of parabola, because focus is on the x-axis. So axis of the parabola is x-axis. Okay. Also, the directrix is x equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 6, that is x equal to minus the formula equation of directrix, and focus and focus 6, 0. It is given 6, 0, that is a, 0. So we know the coordinate of the focus is a, 0. Okay. So the parabola, the parabola is of the form y square equal to 4ax, type 1. Okay, y square equal to 4x, and a 6, 0 equal to a, 0. So a equal to 6. So therefore a, 0 equal to 6, 0. So this means a equal to, comparing this to a equal to 6. Therefore the required equation of the parabola is equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4x, and this equal to y square equal to 4 into 6, a equal to 6 into x. Okay, so it is y square equal to 24x. This is the answer. Okay, this is the required equation of the parabola. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question, number 8. So it is given same type question, find the equation of the parabola. So given focus equal to coordinate of the focus Focus equal to 0 comma minus 3. Focus equal to 0 comma minus 3 and equation of directrix. Directrix equal to y equal to 3. Okay, it is given. Focus 0 comma minus 3 and equation of directrix y equal to 3. Find the equation of the parabola. Okay, so since the focus 0 comma minus 3 lies on the y axis because x coordinate is 0. Okay, lies on the y axis. Therefore axis of the parabola is, so axis of the parabola is which axis? Y axis, because focus is on the y axis. Axis of the parabola is y axis. Okay, also the directrix y equal to 3. Y equal to 3, that is y equal to a. And focus and focus 0 comma minus 3. Focus 0 comma minus 3, that is 0 comma minus a. Okay, therefore 0 comma minus a equal to 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3, so a equal to 3. Comparing these two, we get a equal to 3. Okay, so the parabola is of the form because of y axis. So the parabola is of the form x square equal to minus 4a y axis. Okay, y axis, and directrix is y equal to a and focus is 0 comma minus a, negative sign is there, so parabola is x square equal to minus 4a y. So this equal to x square equal to minus 4 into a equal to 3 into y. Okay, so x square equal to minus 12y. This is the required equation of the parabola.
So one sir, copying sir.
This is the answer. Required equation of the parabola, x square equal to minus 12y. Okay.
So one sir, copying sir.
Okay. So first you see what is the focus, then if focus is on the x-axis, so axis is x-axis. If focus is on the y-axis, then axis is y-axis. Okay, if axis is x-axis, then equation will be y square equal to 4x or y square equal to minus 4x. And if axis is y-axis, then equation is x square equal to 4ay or x square equal to minus 4ay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Next, do the question number 11. 11 number question is, vertex is 0, 0 and passing through 2, 3 and axis is along x-axis. So, vertex 0, 0 it is given and passing through the point 2, 3 it is also given. Passing through the point means we know xy value. That means x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. And axis is along x-axis. Okay. So, the vertex of the parabola is the vertex of the parabola is at 0, 0. At 0, 0 and the axis is along x-axis. Along x-axis it is given. Okay. So the parabola is of the form. So the parabola is of the form y square equal to 4x. Okay. Y square equal to either y square equal to 4x or y square equal to minus 4x. Okay, because x-axis. Now, since passing through the point 2, 3, since the parabola is given, the parabola passing through the point, passing through the point 2, 3. So 2, 3 point lies which quadrant? First quadrant, x2, y3, 2, 3 point. Okay. So first quadrant, so parabola open, that means right side open. Okay. Parabola passing to the point 2, 3. So the equation of the parabola is of the form that is y square equal to 4x, because the point is 2, 3. 2, 3 lies on the first quadrant. Okay, positive. So type 1 parabola, that is right side open, because 2, 3 on the parabola point, passing through the point. So the equation of the parabola is of the form y square equal to 4ax. Okay. Now, so it is 2, 3 passing through the point, that means x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Now, putting x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So, y square equal to 4ax. Okay. So, y equal to 3. 3 square equal to 4a into x equal to 2. So, it is 9 equal to 8a. So, a equal to 9 by 8. Okay, a equal to 9 by 8. Now, therefore, the required equation of the parabola is the required equation of the parabola is, so y square equal to 4 into a is 9 by 8 x, 4x, okay, so 4 to the 8, 4, 2, so this equal to cross multiply 2y square equal to 9x, okay. This is the required equation of the parabola. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 12. Question is vertex 0, 0 and passing through the point 5, 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Okay. So axis is y-axis. So the vertex of the parabola is the vertex of the parabola. Vertex of the parabola is at 0, 0 and it is symmetrical about the y-axis. So axis of the parabola is, therefore axis of the parabola is y-axis. Okay, y-axis, since the parabola passes through the point, through the point 5, 2. Okay, passes through the point 5, 2. So 5, 2 both are positive, coordinate 5 and 2, and it lies on the first quadrant. Okay, so first quadrant, that means an axis is y-axis. So we know y-axis means either x square equal to 4ay or x square equal to minus 4ay. Okay, so because of positive passing through the point on the parabola point 5, 2, that means this parabola will be upward parabola. Okay, this is upward parabola, and upward parabola equation is x square equal to 4ay because of this point. Okay, because of 5, 2, so clearly we'll get the parabola is of the form is x square equal to 4ay.
Sir, it would be, sir, 5, minus 2, then it would be downward, no, sir?
Yes, 5, minus 2, then x positive, y negative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the parabola is of the form. So the parabola is of the form x square equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4ay. Okay. Now put x equal to 5 and y equal to 2 because passing through the point on the parabola. putting x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. So x equal to 5, that means 5 square. So 4a into y equal to 2. So 25 equal to 8a. 25 equal to 8a. So a equal to 25 by 8. 25 by 8. So the required equation of the parabola is, so the required equation of the parabola is x square equal to 4ay. So x square equal to 4 into a is 25 by 8. 25 by 8, 4a y. Okay. 4 to the 8, 4, 2. So cross multiply 2x square equal to 25y. Okay, this is the required equation. This is the answer. Equation of the parabola is 2x square equal to 25y. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.